we got a, you guys can see it, we having a little unboxing. So we're gonna have the CNC machine unboxed today, and we're gonna working in that. And like I normally say, we're gonna do everything after a regular intro, and I'll see you then after that. Alright guys, so we're back, and like you see in my previous video, we get a CNC machine. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna move the camera to the location where I got the boxes. We're gonna see what is coming on the box, then we're gonna do another video while we go how to put it together, because that machine is completely apart. So we're gonna see what is in the box, what we get in the game, and that's coming from Xenos. That same company, the same company I get the laser machine printing. I don't know what is exactly in that box, and just open it to show you guys a little bit. And I ordered the Pro. To be clear, everybody, I paid $90 for that, but the price went up to $129. I think they realized the machine brings some extra stuff. I think so, and I'm gonna see what is in that box and what they sent me and what I really get, and we're gonna see all that right now in a second. And you know, I always gotta see, I gotta move the camera over there. Alright guys, so we got the box right here. You can see it on my little short video. I already cut the plastic because I want to see it, so I want to show you guys what we're getting. Oh, by the way, look how nice the laser machine printed it out. You guys can see that it was a Taste ID. So to show you guys, gonna be something nice with later on. Alright, so first of all, we got the manual. This is the machine we just ordered, so that cost me $90. Like I said before, price went up and the machine costs now $129. To be clear, it's still very cheap for the price. Now this is what we got. This is the cover, see it? Right, I got the lens like again on the laser one. So I don't know what they sent me the lens, but this look like the laser lens. And this machine was only supposed to be a router machine, only to work on wood directly, not laser. But find out we got the screw package over here. They sent me a laser, so I don't know if because they see my review on my other videos and stuff, but we got a laser for this machine. Came in with that. This is the main board. This is the cable to connect everything. Right here we got the USB, the USB. On this section we got the bit tips. You can see it, they're right there. More tips, more screw. You can see it. Software like we get on the other one. So I'm gonna put this right back because we're gonna put this together later in another video. So I'm just gonna put this right here. And I'm gonna put this back. This is the bracket mount. This is what this is the motor. It's okay, going like this, and I show you guys. All right, so put this back in there. We got 2 more step motor. You can see that everything coming apart. Nothing is coming all together. Don't know what it is. So open it. Oh, this is the offline control board. So they send me offline control board. So we got that right here. It's got the manual and everything in it. So I gotta program that. That's not working just out of the box. So something we're gonna do in another video. That's power supply. So all this together is the top section of the box. I'm gonna put this back in. Now, this is the side one, so this goes on the side of the machine. Yeah, I can see it. So we got 2 of them. This is the base where you're gonna put the work. This is gonna be the work area. This is how big the work area is. So I can say we can working in a 6x8 or by 9. 6x9, I can say. We can work in a 6x9 doing this, doing any work in there. So I'm just gonna put this right there. I'm gonna put this up. And this should be the rest of the machine. It's right here. So Now, you probably gonna think this is metal, but I'm kind of disappointed. This is completely plastic, and I know what this machine is. A lot of people had to buy an upgrade for this. You can hear the noise. That's plastic. This is plastic. This is the front of the machine. It is plastic too. It's a very good plastic, it's ABS, so don't get me wrong. Then we got all the stuff connection. Gonna run. Let's see something. This is for the bottom. This is for the top section. Got these. Then all this is the section for the bottom section of the base. All this right. And you got the aluminum one. So this is a 40-20. So that means it's 2x4. So that time, right? You can see it. You don't got anything out on the box. And like I said, it's will be a simple machine. It was the unboxing, show you what it's got into the package. One thing clear, when I ordered the machine, it was not supposed to be coming out with any laser. So I'm gonna move the camera. I'm gonna go to the corner, and so all right. So we're gonna move this right there. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit up, and I'm gonna set it right now. Let's talk about this machine. Why I'm ordering a machine if I'm doing mining? What I'm gonna do with it? Now, I'm planning to do extra stuff on the mining side. If I need to do test pens, I'm gonna do some stuff. You're gonna see a lot of videos, different stuff you can build your own yourself. Trying to helping out people to save money. I can't promote anything on there. I think people will buy them. But the thing right here, right now, is you need to be making a mining rig. You need to making a project. You have to make it cheaper. You don't do nothing. You're gonna be a house mining person, and you're gonna mining in the house. It makes no sense for you to go and invest on a silver case or anything like that. $900, $1,000. Depending right now, probably all the stuff get cheaper because the price of Bitcoin went down. But my concern is this: I want to be saving money. I want an equipment where also I can make a little bit money just selling something out different on any platform. That would be one of the best idea I have in it. I got my 3D printer over there helping me out a lot. You guys can see it in the test bench. You guys can see what I did for the test for the graphic cards. So now I don't need to have the graphic card sitting on top of something. They got their own session. So I built that with ABS. They were pretty good. They very good with the heat. They don't get over stuff like that. And you can do a lot of stuff. You can do a lot of stuff. The laser machine also helping me out if I want to send in to cut any piece of wood because I need to do something, or I want to engrave my channel or something. I want to send it to somebody. That helping me out a lot. That's also for the benefit of the channel. You guys can see it right here. I don't know if you can. Okay. You guys can see it. This right here. Let me move a little bit. This right there. You see it. This is the laser machine. So I still have it, and it's very good. This is the laser. This is everything. I like it. I love it. Doing a pretty good job. Like I showed you before. You see this? That was a test I did. I got all the stuff to do it, and it worked pretty good. Doing a pretty good job so far. Alright guys, so we're gonna cut it over here. Like I said, thank you for watching. Also, you guys subscribe to the channel or not. Just subscribe to the channel to more content, and I'll be see you into the next one, or the next video will be putting together the machine. So I'll see you there, and I hope you guys enjoy everything I do on my channel. I do them with all my heart, and I hope you guys like it. See you then.